While back pain is extremely common, it doesn't necessarily mean it's normal. Achy sensations in your back might keep you from enjoying your favorite sports, affect your work, and get in the way of your normal routine. If your back pain is becoming more than you can manage, you might want to book an appointment with your doctor, but there is also a lot you can do to relieve it. Here at Healthy Life, we gathered some tips and tricks that can help you alleviate annoying back pain. 1. Try foot massage. In addition to being incredibly relaxing, foot massages can help soothe an aching back. There's a reflex area connected to the spine located on your feet, and massaging it can relieve annoying back pain. Place your thumbs on the inside arch of the foot and press them up and down the inner soles of your feet to improve blood flow to the nerves of your back. 2. Have a glass of turmeric milk. Adding some anti-inflammatory foods to your diet is an easy and delicious way to reduce painful reactions in your body. Known for its antioxidant and anti-arthritic properties, turmeric may help you keep back pain at bay. Mix 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder in a glass of warm regular or plant-based milk and enjoy it before going to bed to allow the anti-inflammatory compounds to do their job while you sleep. 3. Take a warm shower. A nice warm shower can help you relax after a busy day and wash all the stress away. Apart from being a bedtime ritual to sleep well, showering stimulates blood flow to stiff muscles and joints. Because warm water reduces muscle spasms, it might help you forget about the painful sensations in your back. 4. Go to bed early. A restful night's sleep helps you wake up feeling energized and ready to face the day. In addition to reducing stress and allowing your body to recover, getting enough sleep is crucial if your back often feels sore. Because your body's tissues heal when you sleep, getting quality shut-eye is essential for keeping your back healthy. 5. Try to reduce your caffeine intake. Although it's hard to imagine a day without a hot cup of coffee, it might be better to drink it less often if you're suffering from back pain. Caffeine can cause tension in the muscles, cause lower back pain, and eventually lead to chronic pain. Drinking too much coffee might also affect your sleep, which, in turn, may cause more stiffness in your back. 6. Ditch your high heels. While your favorite high-heeled shoes surely make you look irresistible, wearing them on a daily basis might be the reason behind your lower back pain. Because high heels change your center of gravity and put pressure on your spine, they may contribute to back pain and even cause circulation issues. To avoid painful sensations in your back, opt for more comfortable shoes that provide enough arch support and don't affect your posture. Have you ever experienced back pain? Do you know any hacks to get rid of it?